Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet charger cable cover decorated with tiny leaves. This is a fun beginner-friendly project and a perfect way to protect your cable while making them look cute. Let's start crocheting. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3.5mm crochet hook to make this. We will get started with one corner of the cable and I'm going to keep the yarn like this and then pull up a loop, chain one, yarn over and pull through the loop. After that we will work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. First of all, we need to make 10 single crochets along the cable. So we will go under the cable like this, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Like that, we are going to continue making 10 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then I'm going to create the first leaf. For that we need to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then I'm going to skip the very first chain here and go into the second chain and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again, work a single crochet into the very next stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. And then we will work a half double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Now I'm going to make a double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And then we will work 3 treble crochets, 1 treble crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. To make the treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, work 2 more triples, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, another treble. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we will make a double crochet into the very next stitch. and then a half double crochet into the next stitch, and then work a single crochet into the next stitch, after that we are left with one last stitch. There I'm going to work a slip stitch into the last stitch. With that we have completed the first half of the leaf. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to turn the work like this and then go into the very same stitch as we made the slip stitch here. And then I'm going to go into the other side and work another slip stitch to move the loop into the other side of the work, like this. And then just repeat the pattern to complete the second half as well. So we will go into the very next stitch and work a single crochet, and then a half double crochet into the next stitch, and then work a double crochet into the next stitch, and then we will work 3 treble crochets, one, two, and 3. And then we will go into the very next stitch here and work a double crochet, and then a half double crochet into the next stitch, and then a single crochet into the next stitch. Now we are left with one last stitch. There I'm going to work a slip stitch into the very last stitch. And then I'm going to go into the first slip stitch here and work another slip stitch to join the round, like so. After that we will make slip stitches from here to here to make the stem of the leaf. So I'm going to go into the very first stitch here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Again go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Like that I'm going to go along the stem of the leaf. Now I have completed the stem of the first leaf here. This is what it looks like. And then we can go into the very first base stitch here and work a slip stitch to join the leaf. That joins the leaf into the cable properly. This is what it looks like. And then again we will continue working single crochets along the cable. So I'm going to work 10 single crochets over here in between the leaves, but it's completely optional and you can make more single crochets if you want more space in between the leaves. So I will create 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then we will make the next leaf. So chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then skip the first chain and go into the next chain and work a slip stitch. Again a single crochet into the next stitch and a half double crochet into the next stitch and a double crochet into the next stitch and then 3 treble crochets, one, 2, 3 and then work a double crochet into the next stitch and a half double crochet into the next stitch and then a single crochet into the next stitch and a slip stitch into the very last stitch. Again we will insert the hook into the very same stitch and turn it to the other side of the work to continue the second half of the leaf and work a slip stitch. Again continue working 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and a double crochet into the next stitch and then 3 treble crochets, one, 2, 3 and then work a double crochet into the next stitch and then a half double crochet into the next stitch and then a single crochet into the next stitch and then a slip stitch into the next stitch. After that we will go into the very first slip stitch of the round to join. So insert the hook into the very first slip stitch here and work another slip stitch. And then we will create the stem by working slip stitches all the way up to here. With that I have completed the second leaf as well. Then go ahead and work a slip stitch into the base stitch here to join the leaf like this. And then we will continue the pattern. Again we are going to work 10 single crochets and then another leaf. Like that we can continue the work up to the end of the cable. This is the last leaf I have just completed here, and then I'm going to make 10 more single crochets to complete this part. Alright, I have covered the entire cable, and then to finish off I'm going to chain one, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that I'm going to use this yarn needle to hide the tail. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this cute crochet cable cover with the little leaves. If you try it, please share your pictures with me. I love seeing your beautiful creations. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy and beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. See you again in my next video. Happy crocheting!